Hey guys, thanks for tuning in. What's up? So, let's talk securing your wig. I have this unit. This is a wig that I made and I dyed it as well. Just getting some of the kinks out. I dyed this unit. When I dyed this unit, I used a 40 developer combined with Kiss, a color from Kiss. I think it's called Cherry, and a color from Adore, a purple color, a deep purple. I forgot to cut the name of it, but I'll find it for you guys. This is a closure with 2.5 bundles, I think. The hair is straight, so I wanted this to be extra sleek. So I went ahead and I didn't put that many bundles in as I could have, but you guys see it's still nice and sleek. It could be a little thicker. I'm just used to thick straight hair for some reason, but I love it. So those of you who know, there's a frenzy, or there has been a frenzy about my chest all out. I'm sorry, y'all. This shirt, man. There's been a frenzy about to be glue and got to be gel and gorilla glue, gorilla snots. And people use that to hold their wigs down, but me personally, I don't like to use them. Just because it gets so sticky, and then there's that residue, and it's like, if you use that stuff after a certain while, after like 2-3 days, you gotta throw it out. Not throw it out, you gotta wash it out. And me, I don't be having time to sit there and wash my wig all the time. Like, I don't have time for that, because then if I wash it, I gotta re-straighten it, and I gotta do too much, and I'm just not here for that. So with this unit, how I get it on, this right here, I have on this cap from the beauty supply store. I have my hair and plaits going straight back. That's shea butter in my hair. So yeah, I have it going straight back. What I do, I take this Pump It Up Gold. This is by BB. It's styling spritz with extra silk protein and vitamin B. And it's a super hold. They have another one that's just like regular hold, but this one, my baby. So what I usually do is I spray a little bit of this. I have some of the residue still on there from the earlier wig I had on. But I spray a little bit of this in my section where my closure is at, specifically wherever my part is at. I'm just like, ooh, this shit dripping all over me. I'm dripping on you, baby. How you love that? Yeah, so I have a side part, so I'm spraying some over here. Alright, so basically you spray it there. Some people like to wait until it gets tacky. For me, I don't like to do that. I like to keep it to dry in place. So yeah, put it right there. I'm gonna go in the back, pull it down the way it should be pulled down, and then this isn't a frontal. I told y'all I don't do frontals. That's the sucky part about a closure. Your edges is always gonna be peeking out. I usually have my edges slicked down, but I just took off my other curly wig, so I don't have to usually do nothing with my edges on that one, just because it's curly and it's big. So yeah, I stick that on there. Let me just make sure it's all the way down. Usually try not to get any of the product on here, just because that's gonna make the hair hard. But you win some, you lose some. Live to fight another day. Okay, pull it all the way down so that it's on the edge of the cap, and then you wait, or you go about your day and it dries. And I love this stuff because it's so lightweight. It's water. Like, all you have to do is, when you want to go home and take off your wig, you just do a pop it off, and all you have left is the residue that's on the cap, and then you could just rinse your cap off. I bleach my knots, but I also wear a cap underneath that's like skin color because just for extra reassurance, you know. And also I don't like the wig. I don't like my braids being bare underneath the wig. Like I just feel like that leads to friction. Friction leads to split ends, and I already got enough of those, so I'm good. I'm good on the split ends. So I always just make sure I wear a cap. Um, like I said, it takes a second to dry, but I'm fidgeting with it, so it keeps pulling out of place. And this hair, what kind of hair was this? Oh, this closure is from AliExpress. It's like a random brand. I think I paid like $20 for it. It's a free part closure. The hair is from One Stop Hair Shop. I've had this hair for like 3 years. No funny shit. I've had this hair for like close to 3 years, and I've done so many wigs. I mean, I've done like 2 wigs with this, and I've done like at least 7 or 8 sewings with this hair, and it's still good. Like, I mean, it's a little ratty now just because like I dyed it and I used that developer, but overall, like when I flat iron this baby, sleek. And when I put this unit on, I didn't even flat iron it or anything. I just took it off the wall, and it's like a flat iron. I had flat ironed it like 2 or 3 weeks ago, but the hair is actually really nice and durable. You see? Look how thick and tight that looks. I love that. And like I said, this is 2.5 units. This hair was pretty affordable. Like, I think actually, nah, I'm lying. This hair actually, it was affordable. It was like $270 for 3 bundles, and it was long hair, like 22, 24, 222s and 124. And this hair really was cute. I loved it, and I still do. Like, I don't really wear this unit like that, but I wear it here and there if I feel like giving a little color. I think the next color I'm gonna do on this is that neon green. I'm a little ghetto as fuck, but fuck it. Welcome to my world. Nah, I'm not even ghetto like that. But y'all know what I mean. Like, I'm gonna try something different. When you do a lot of hair, you can't help but get crazy and try to do different things. But look at that. Just like scalp. And it's sticking on there it's still not thoroughly dry, but like over the course of the day, like as the day goes by, it'll dry out. It'll get nice and flat. I'm balding. That's the hard part. If y'all have any pointers on coloring, let me know. Because the way this shit fucked up the roots on this closure, I bleached this closure. I bleached the roots on this closure like 4 or 5 times. And I still came out with that red stain. That red dye tint. But you know what's crazy? When people actually dye their natural hair, they still wind up with when people dye their natural hair, they still wind up with that like shiny roots. I think that's probably just because the roots be fresher. Like if they re-dye their hair, and I guess since I bleached it before I dyed it, the roots took it like 10 times more than the hair because I didn't bleach the hair. But either way, the color took it. It gave me the vibe that I was feeling for. It gave me the color I was going for. So, and the good thing about this hair also, nothing on my fingers. The dyeing process that I did, nothing on my fingers. Y'all know with red hair, if you do a rinse with red hair, forget about it. You know you gonna get that shit on your shirts, your jackets, your pillow, your scarf, your tub, everywhere. So your fingers, your nail polish, everything. So I love the way this hair color came out, and I love the way this unit came out. So guys, feel free to like, comment, subscribe, tell a friend and tell a friend who told a friend, and tell somebody else too. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.